Hey, Caesar here, full-time yoga teacher and a personal trainer. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a handstand with your feet against the wall. The benefits of doing a handstand are face lift, chest lift, and it's also going to help you strengthen your upper body and relax your heart. Okay, start in all fours, spread the fingers apart, knees below the hip, tuck the toes in, push into a dog stretch. Okay, then from a dog stretch, right foot against the wall, and then left foot against the wall, and hang. Hold a handstand for a few seconds in order to enjoy the benefits. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me.